another consideration about safety is what happens if something does get in your eyes, okay? The first thing we have is an eye wash station, okay? You would just push this back and the water is going to come out just like that, okay? What you're going to do is you're going to hold your eyes open and lean down into the water, all right? And that way it'll wash out whatever's in your eye. In a bigger emergency, like a whole beaker of very strong acid spills on you. I'm not talking about like vinegar spilling on you, all right? You're gonna smell, but you'll be fine. It's vinegar, okay? But if it's a concentrated acid or a very strong acid, then you need to get that off of your body as quickly as possible, okay? So in those cases, we have an emergency shower. Now, I don't want a shower, so I'm gonna hold this bucket here, all right? And what you would do is you'd grab this triangle here, and you would pull down, and then that water is gonna, it comes out much faster than that, but it's gonna keep coming out until you push this handle back up. So it should be stopping. There we go. All right, so a lot of water, probably about that much water came out in just that short time that it was on. The idea is that you are scrubbing your skin, trying to get the acid or whatever off. So I'm gonna leave this here, get those drips as it stops. But that is the eye wash station and the safety shower. We also have a fire blanket in this red bin, okay? The goal here is that you would grab this if someone is on fire or there is a fire in the room, an uncontrolled fire, and then you would throw that blanket over it, and it's dense enough that it's gonna smother the fire. So that is the goal there. All right, safety tips with Furlough. Have a nice day.